The forum unanimously condemned the statement by the Southern Governors Forum that the presidency must go to the South. The statement is quite contradictory with the provision of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, as amended, that the elected president shall A. score the majority votes, B. score at least 25% of the votes cast in 2/3 states of the Federation, C. in the case of run-up, simple majority will win the election. Number 6, the Northern State Governors Forum considered the ongoing national debate on collection of value-added tax, VAT. Rivers and Lagos State government had enacted their own VAT laws, and the Southern Governors Forum have expressed support for this course of action. C. VAT is being confused by these state governments as a sales tax. If every state enacted its own VAT law, multiple taxation will result in increase of prices of goods and services and collapse in interstate trade. VAT is not a production tax like excise, but terminal tax which is paid by the ultimate consumer.
All of us know the very many problems that face. Besides insecurity, there is poverty. Besides poverty, there is lack of basic education. Besides lack of basic education, there is a lot of drug abuse amongst our youth. So many problems.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.